Connie again with the Artisan Company, and welcome back to the channel. Well, we have another amazingly beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to be alive, and it's a beautiful day to do another piece of fun jewelry. So let's go see what's on the desk. Alrighty, so this is what is on the desk for today. You remember the beautiful Sleeping Beauty necklace that we made the other day? Yes, I decided to do earrings. And I'm going to sell it as a set because the Sleeping Beauty is so expensive. So I felt like it needed some earrings to go with it to complete the set. So here is where we are going with this beautiful design. And the earrings are a little more ornate than the necklace. And I did that on purpose. One, so they could wear them with other things. And number two, just give the necklace a little more punch to it, even though the necklace itself is stunning. Okay. But anyway, here's where we're headed. So you kind of get the idea in your head. This is what you're going to need. I've got some sterling silver ear wires. I have got some 1mm silver beads, some 4mm silver beads. This is a 4 to 5mm Sleeping Beauty Heishi cut bead. Now you can leave this off if you'd like, but I thought it gave it just a little more. This is actually the 10mm same Sleeping Beauty as what is in the necklace. I kept two out for earrings specifically. This is a 3mm bead cap, a 6mm bead cap. This one's fluted, and this one is the floral with the open ends. And then this is a very ornate 8mm bead cap. And then you'll need some head pins. That's all you're going to need, and obviously your tools. That's it. So let's get our heads around it and we'll get started. This earring is another earring that you can do with your eyes closed. So it's beautiful, stunning. It looks like you spent a lot of time, but you didn't. Okay, so you're going to take your head pin first. And the first thing you're going to do is put on, let me get my little eyes down here because some of these beads are small. So you're going to take that 1mm, little tiny 1mm bead, and you're going to string it on your head pin first. Ooh, that hole is tiny. All right. Then we're going to stack some bead caps so we can get a bigger bang for our buck on this. All right, so we're going to stack a little 6mm. Make sure you get it in the middle of the holes, otherwise it'll be whoppy jaw. Then you're going to take the 8mm and you're going to stack it. So it should look like this. Okay. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of Sleeping Beauty. You're going to slide it on there like that. You're going to take the next bead cap, 8mm. Then you're going to stack another 6mm. Make sure I got it in the middle. Alrighty. So at this juncture, it should look like this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. All right, the next phase, you're going to take the little bitty tiny 3mm bead cap, slide it on there. Take one of your Heishi cut turquoise beads, slide it on. Then you're going to slide another one of the little tiny 3mm caps on. So it should look like this. A lot of sparkle. That's what we're looking for. And then the last thing you're going to do is take this 4mm. Sorry, yes, it is a 4mm. I take that back. And slide it on. And you should look like this at this juncture. Okay. Next step. Next step, we are almost done with this earring. I told you guys that this would fly by, didn't I? You could do it with your eyes closed. Okay, next thing is we're going to clip the top excess off of the head pin. And I was laughing the other day. I marked my tools with, you can see here with little marks on there. You can actually purchase tools that already have the marks on them now. So you don't have to be old school like me. But anyway, so we're going to go through and we're going to clip that head pin. And in all honesty, if you're not sure exactly how big you want your loop to be at the top, uh, leave more on the head pin than less, because that way you can trim off what you don't need and make it smaller, but you can't make it bigger once it's once it's done. All right, next thing we're going to do is take our pliers, and you can see I marked these too, so I'll know exactly where I make my loop every time. They have these tools that are already marked nowadays. I'm just old school. I'm sorry. But anyway, we're going to make us a beautiful loop right here. Like that. Oh, and that closed up beautifully. Okay. And I'm going to bend it just a little to make sure everything's straight. Close up that loop just a little bit. Alrighty. Bend it just a hair like that. There we go. All right. So everything's straight. So this is where we are on it. Last thing we're going to do right here is open up this beautiful ear wire. And, you know, normally they tell you to open them that way, not out this way. But to me, it depends on what type of metal you're working with, because some things are a little harder to navigate than others. This one doesn't want to open. This is a pretty good sterling here that I have. If I can get it open there. And then you're going to slide that open right there and then close that wire right back up like so. Make sure that it's closed good. And there you go. Voila, you have both earrings. I told you guys you could do this with your eyes closed. And look how beautiful it is. Let me move all this just so we can get a good visual. Oh my, oh my. Here's our lovely Sleeping Beauty necklace. And look at these gorgeous earrings to go with it. Oh my, my. I'm so excited. What a beautiful set. You can use any stone in here, any bead cap you want to use, any kind of ear wire you want to use. It's just a matter of picking out the caps that you love, stacking those things, making more interesting designs out of something that's already done. Um, and yeah, easy, easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.